Hey guys, so I just received this box from Google. Now, one of the things in it is of course the Pixel 5, as you guys see in the title, but I'm actually not sure of the other stuff in it. Now, I've gotten a ton of use out of last year's Pixel 4 XL, and the 4A is pretty solid. So high expectations here for the Pixel 5. All right. All right, so pause it if you want to read it. But yeah, there's some introduction stuff. All right, so pretty happy to get the green color, Sage color. This complements last year's orange 4XL nicely. And it's also available in just black, which I'm sure looks pretty similar to this. So let's check out the phone first. Now I can't show you guys that much yet, besides the home screen. But we'll do a quick comparison versus the 4XL and the 4A. Alright, so this has these pull tabs. Yeah, that's really nice looking. They always go with these really neat colors. This would be similar to the retail. Yeah, it's just your packet with the SIM card ejector. We also have a USB-C to USB-C, a quick charge. You're not going to be getting this with the iPhone 12, any charger, and also an adapter. So it looks like no headphones this time, but actually I don't think Pixel is ever shipped with them. Yeah, it's just for transfer, and you have a USB to Type-C. Alright guys, so actually let's not check out the phone yet. Let's just look at the buds and the case. But yeah, I'll take a look at the phone after. Alright, so these I was thinking about buying myself, but obviously glad I got them for review. So let me just quickly unbox them, because I'm going to be using them. A lot of times when I get the headphones, obviously with doing these phones, guys, I have a ton of headphones, and usually I just want to unbox them. But in this case, I do want to test them. Alright, so nice case here. Pretty similar to the Buds and the AirPods. All of them are a bit different, but pretty similar. And yeah, some extra buds, rather ear tips. And looks like a Type-C to, and also a USB, so not USB-C to Type-C. And no power adapter. Nice look and feel to it. Alright, so let me just do a quick sound test. Alright guys, so we're sitting right now in the 4XL. So this was an extremely easy setup process. Literally just put them in your ears and got a prompt on screen. So if I take it out, yeah, very, very quick to stop. Now, these are extremely comfortable. Yeah, so more comfortable than the AirPods, more comfortable than the Galaxy Buds, just really nice. Okay, so first thoughts guys, very impressed with them. Really liking these buds. Okay, now for the case guys, let me just put this back in. Now I've been using the 4XL, so I've used this a lot as my daily over the past year, and you guys see the case for it has a lot of use, but I really like the look and feel of it. So I'm hoping this is a similar style. Let's see. Nice. Yeah, see that guys? This is same style. Looks and feels really nice. Yeah, so I'll definitely be getting a lot of use out of this. Alright, so now for the phone. And thanks a lot to Team Pixel for sending this. Okay, so the back feels, it's kind of similar to the 4A, in that it's not glass, but it feels a little more sturdy. It's actually a really nice feeling to it. Yeah, so I can power it on, guys, but can't show you much more, at least for now. Alright guys, so this year we're going for more of a budget-friendly model. Now, I can't show you that much yet, but we'll go over the specs real quick and also discuss just a brief comparison versus the 4XL and the 4A. Now on the front we have a 6-inch display, so it's 90 Hz, similar to last year's 4XL, but it is a bit smaller. On the front we also have one camera at 8MP, and on the back we have two cameras, including a wide angle. So this is the first Pixel for wide angle. Last year we had a telephoto. I definitely much rather have a wide angle than a telephoto, so nice upgrade there. Now for the internals guys, so this is a Snapdragon 765G, which is better than the 4A, but it's not flagship, and it also has 8 GB of RAM. Now the phone has over a 4,000 milliamp battery with wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, and 128 GB of internal storage, but no micro SD card support. The phone is also water resistant with 5G and has stereo speakers. On the back we have a fingerprint, which is different from the 4XL. That one had the face unlock. And at the bottom we have Type-C, but unfortunately no headphone jack, unlike the 4A. The phone is available on October 29th in the US. It's running Android 11, and it's only $700, so less than the 4XL launched last year, but twice as much as the 4A. So just real quick, versus the 4XL. Now, this launched last year as a flagship, whereas the 5 it's not really a flagship. I mean, it has some flagship features like the cameras, but it still may be the best Pixel on the market. This is launching at a lower price than the 4XL, but the current price of the 4XL may be cheaper. So we will be doing a full comparison between them. For the most part, they have a lot of the same features. I mean, really, it's the chipset's the big thing. But the 765G should be pretty solid for most stuff. I mean, even gaming guys, for most people, you're not really going to notice. I do like the design more for the 5 though. I like having that hole pin notch. Not really a fan of the big forehead. And the 5 is also just a lot more compact. But again, guys, smaller screen for it. Okay, so stay tuned for the full comparison for those. Now, for the 4A, for the 5, you're getting a ton of upgrades. So that includes a larger screen, water resistance, wireless charging, a much larger battery, a better chipset, more RAM, a wide-angle camera. So a lot of upgrades here. But that said, guys, you don't have the headphone jack, only on the 4A. But most importantly, you're talking about twice as much money for the 5. So I thought that the 4A was an excellent deal. Not sure yet about the 5, but of course I have to actually test it out more. Now, let me just put on the case for the 5. So yeah, once again, it looks and feels really nice. I actually kind of like that sage color coming out from it. Alright guys, so my first thoughts. So I really like the Pixel Buds. I do need to definitely test them out more. But first thoughts, really like the feel of them. Now, for the Pixel 5, this has a nice look, a nice feel. But of course I have to actually test out all the internals, the cameras, all that stuff. So yeah, stay tuned for future videos. Alright guys, so be sure to subscribe for those videos. And also check out my unboxing for the Sony Xperia 5 Mark II.